Brake. Oh, hold on. Okay, there we go. All right. Everybody good? Let's get everybody off the highway. Everybody's in. All right. Yeah. Yep. Ouch.
Log in the rain.
Hold on. Okay. Sorry about that. Oh shit.
What happened to him? No, that ain't happening up there.
Oh fuck, that's deep water right there. Okay. Whew. That'll get your blood going in the morning, gentlemen. Oh shit.
Nice job, man. That's impressive.
For who, I have no idea. Is that the way or this? Oh, my bad, okay. Woohoo. Oh shit. It's all right. You all right? Whew. That I was thinking about trying to get up there and then turn, because I don't know if I can get up that way. I can't get up that way. And guys are gonna, I'm gonna get off the bike anyways if I even get it up there. Yeah.
I know that looks this first part of it.
Yep.
You got enough room there? I'll pull a photo.
Oh, fuck.
You get up on your fix and just start rolling the throttle.
That's what I don't think I can do, though.
And then just stay right. You see the groove.
I see it. It's trusting myself to do it. I can't get up fast enough. Oh.
Love guys are singing.
Put it on the front forks. What I'm really going to be pissed is when I see these two fucking just walk it right up. I'm going to be mad. All right, hold on. Hold on, hold on. All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh. Ah, fucker. I just don't trust myself.
Right on about.
Oh, that was ugly. Oh my God.
24 hours, a mile. Hold on just a second. You okay? Oh yeah. That's why.
I thought you had it there for 2 seconds.
Yeah.
I'm more worried about your back hitting that back on there. It's a good thing you got your pad on.
Yeah. And breathing out. I'd still be looking for my breath. Should have had that.
All right, next victim. You got it, you got it, you got it, you got it, you got it! Yeah! Woohoo! Attaboy! Here comes the man, myth, and legend. All right, guys, watch out. This is the man, myth, and legend right here. Pan America. Come on, Larry. Let's go, baby.
Hide behind a tree. Larry will just fucking drive up it.
With a cup of coffee. Man, myth, legend.
Epic. Epic.
Son of a bitch.
Nothing.
Nothing against you, Larry, but son of a bitch.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, he just like blip, 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 blah, 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 up. Damn him. Here comes another big bike, a GS with Hans, Franz, Hans. Attaboy, attaboy, look at him.
Oh,
Oh!
damn it.
All right, need help.
Hang on, we're coming on.
We're coming. He throws that thing around like it's a sack of potatoes. Yeah, he just picks up in one hand and carries the GS around. Our boy Hans.
He just got that last year. I think he's
It's all right, it's all right. Look at him just pick the bike up. Did you see that? Just one-handed, like lifted the tail end up. I love it. You got this, baby. Oh.
I bounced it.
All right. Let's help him out.
Flipped up a little bit.
It's all right. You're good.
Rock spit it.
You got it. You got it, baby. Keep going. Keep going. You got this. Nice job. Woohoo! You guys are not very great with filming because it's fucking, you guys are like blocking shit. You guys got to get out of the way, man. The director, we got to do it all over again. Tell Hans to go back down, turn around. Look at the steepness. Look at all this crap you got to go up. Hi, boys.
I'm Matthew.
Hello. Nice. You got it! You got it! Very nice, very nice. Hey, you guys, how about getting out of the way of the camera? All right, folks, that was fun. For who I have no idea. Oh, fuck, I got too late. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Hold on, guys. Yeah, you definitely need momentum, and I didn't get it. I hit the wrong path coming up out of there. Cheater, cheater, pumpkin eater. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, I can go this way, yeah. It's pretty rough coming up this way too, guys. I made it to the top by going around. A little deep here, boys. A little deep. Thanks, guys. There's about 10 of us. Oh, yeah.